The 2022 Volvo XC40 is a hip and young SUV that is even more stylish than the other Volvo SUVs. The base model, the T4, has a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 184 horsepower. The most powerful model, the T5, has 248 horsepower and comes with all-wheel drive as standard. The XC40 also has a lot of technology, including driver aids from higher-end Volvo models like the Pilot Assist mode that lets the car drive itself in some situations. Still, the XC40 isn't just a show-off car. It has a well-thought-out interior with smart storage options, and its cargo space is big, which is why it made our editor's choice list. Also, compared to German competitors like the BMW X1 and Mercedes-Benz GLA class, the Volvo's seating position is higher, which will appeal to SUV fans. Volvo also makes the XC40 Recharge, which we review separately, but is an electric SUV with similar features. What's new for 2022? Few changes are made to Volvo's smallest SUV for 2022. No longer included as standard on the XC40 are a power liftgate, front fog lights, or rear child locks. The R-Design and Inscription models, which are in the middle of the price range, get a wireless smartphone charging feature, and buyers can pay extra for a power liftgate on all models if they want it. We'd choose the T5 R-Design model, not just because it has all-wheel drive and is safer in bad weather, but also because it has a more powerful 248 horsepower engine. Navigation, a panoramic roof, and a sporty look are all standard on the T5 R-Design. We'd add the Advanced package, which includes adaptive cruise control with a semi-autonomous mode, a 360-degree surround view camera, and a 12-volt outlet in the cargo area. The engine, the transmission, and how it works. Every XC40 has a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes between 184 and 248 horsepower, called T4 and T5, respectively. The more powerful T5, which only works with all-wheel drive, helped our Momentum test car go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, which is pretty quick. The 8-speed automatic transmission changes gears quickly and doesn't make the cabin noisy when it does so. The only thing we don't like is how rough the engine sounds when you give it a lot of gas. The engine is quiet and smooth when cruising. The XC40 can pull up to 3,500 pounds, which is unusual for a subcompact luxury crossover.